Happy
Children's Day, everybody!
ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದವರ ಕಾಪಾಡೋ
ಸೋಮೇಶ್ವರ.
ಅಪ್ಪು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ 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 ಅಪ್ಪು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ 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 ಅಪ್ಪು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ 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 ಅಪ್ಪು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್. The lights, your face, your eyes exploding like fireworks in the sky.
Yes.
As you know.
अरे So, hi everyone, welcome to another fun-filled episode of Mic Drop. Here we are going to drop mics, not grades today. It's going to be fun, happy and joyful because it's Children's Day. As you can see, I have our superstars who are going to be with me on the show as guests today. So, let's begin the show. Say hi to everyone, guys.
Hello!
Guys, as I told, today is Children's Day and I want to make sure you meet our amazing guests today. So if you see the frame, you can see me filled with small children ahead. Happy Children's Day to all of you.
Thank you, Megha.
So now I want you to introduce yourself to all our viewers there. You can tell me your name, from which school you are, and one thing which your parents say don't do every day. So yes. Who will start first? You'll start? Good, yeah.
My name is Aishvi. I'm in 5th grade. I study in Sophia High School, and my parents tell me don't wake up late every day. Don't do naughtiness at home,
Okay.
and don't turn on the TV all the time. Study a bit.
So you're naughty kid?
Yes.
Yes. Next, who is going to introduce? You'll tell. Yes. Yes.
So my name is Janab and I'm in Vipure,
Okay.
which is in Hennur, and my parents tell no to is not to watch a lot of TV
Okay.
and study Kannada with your grandmother,
Okay.
and don't do naughty stuff at home like taking your toys and just keeping it somewhere, and your parents have to come and clean it up.
Okay. Second naughty kid also noted now. Yes. So now left the small in the gang here. Yes. Tell me about yourself.
My name is Ridhan. I am from St. Vincent Paloti. My parents tell not to drive cycle fast and study a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Don't eat chocolates.
Okay. That's all.
Your parents tell you not to eat chocolates because your teeth are so wide.
So how excited are you today?
Very excited.
Very nice. The energy is actually high. Can I get it again?
Very excited.
Cool, cool. Okay, so followed by we have a small question for you again. What is the naughtiest thing that you have done?
In my school, by going to the canteen when I was in 2nd grade without telling the teacher, and when the teacher was standing out, I just took all my stuff to get from the canteen, and on top of that, my friend had asked me to get for her also. So I had two things in my hand. I was turning that side if the teacher were here because I didn't want her to recognize me, and then I got caught somehow, and then my parents had to meet the teacher, and then she complained to my parents, and they hit me.
Oh, okay. Okay. So your naughty story?
So I once went with my friends to a playground without telling my parents because it is almost 1 kilometer from my house. My parents never let me go anywhere except my road, and without asking them, I went. And once some auto guy, I was in my cycle, by mistake while I was going, I got in his way. He scolded me. Then some of my parents,
Had to come and help you. Yeah.
no, not parents, some
Public.
yeah.
Okay.
But I don't know if they know yet.
Okay. Now they will know it.
Yeah.
Okay, your naughtiest thing?
Whenever I cry when I'm studying, then my parents will complain to the teacher and hit me.
So you're a cry baby, huh? You cry a lot?
He cries very less, but only while studying.
Studying.
It's like tortures.
Oh my god. So studying is a torture. Okay. So I have another question for you guys. So if you wake up as an adult suddenly, what will you do?
I would be the happiest person because I would not study anymore.
Okay.
And I could go to the office anytime I want.
I will wake up early so I can play with my friends and take my cycle and go.
When you're adult also you want to take your cycle and go play with your friends. Cool.
Why not scooter?
But cycle is healthy. Yes. How about you?
I always wanted to drive my car.
Okay.
I'm thinking I'll take it to my farmhouse and I'll take my dog for a ride.
Oh my god, that's quite a big, what do you call? Big thought. Take your dog, drive a car. Okay, we have another round called as Brainy but Funny. Okay, it's a rapid fire round. I'll ask questions and you guys are supposed to answer it instantly. No thinking. Whatever comes to your mind first, you're gonna tell that. Okay? Yes. So, if a cow could talk, what would it say?
Get out of my way.
Okay.
Give me water.
Give me water. Okay.
Hit them.
Hit them. Why are you always into hitting my brother? Okay. Which superhero would make the best math teacher?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Okay.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Okay.
Iron Man.
Oh. Iron Man. Okay. All are super fans of Spider-Man and Iron Man here. Huh? Okay. Fine. If your favorite toy could come alive, what would it do first? And what is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is a Captain Marvel soft toy.
Okay.
And I wish it would give me a magic powers.
Okay. Yours?
My favorite toy is a drone which could talk to me and help me fly in the air to see the world.
Help you only to fly. Okay. Fine.
I would sit on it
Okay.
and I would see up.
Okay.
the
It's
birds
like
The drone would break into pieces.
no, it's like the magic carpet in Aladdin. You guys know that?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
My favorite toy is remote control Spider-Man car.
Okay.
That's
And what will it do when it comes alive?
it. Will talk.
It will talk to you. You want a companion.
He already
Yes.
has a companion.
He already has a companion. Okay. So now we have another segment called Would You Rather? Okay. I'll ask questions and you're gonna tell what exactly it is. So, would you rather have a pet dragon or a pet unicorn?
A pet unicorn.
Why?
Because I'm a girl.
Okay. And you have a unicorn here too.
Yeah. I
Yes.
wish it came alive.
Okay. You?
I would have a dragon
A dragon. Why?
so that I can fly
Hmm?
and I can shoot fireballs
Okay.
in the air.
Okay.
Telling people that look, if you guys want to come for a ride, I can take you.
Mm.
But you have to give me $10 every day.
Dollars. Okay, fine. You're creating a business out of your pet.
Yes.
Okay. And about you?
I would choose dragons. It can be strong and fight with others.
Okay. Would you rather eat a giant bowl of broccoli or a giant bowl of jelly beans?
Giant ball of jelly beans. Because that's junk and I love it.
Very straightforward. That's junk and I love it.
We eat broccoli so we can fry and eat it. It can
I
be
hate you.
nice.
Okay.
And it's healthy food.
It's healthy food. Okay. And you?
Jelly beans. for
Jelly
sure.
beans for sure. You don't like broccoli?
I like it when you just put some kara on.
Okay. If not, it's just jelly beans. Okay. Fine. If you can rename days in a week like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, if you can rename these 7 days, what names would you give?
For Monday, it would be Friday, and for Friday,
No, you have to change the names at all.
okay, then for Monday, it would be the worst day. Tuesday, it would be okay. Wednesday, it would be almost close. Thursday, it would be one more day to go. Friday, it would be last day. And then Saturday, it will be enjoy the first day of weekend. Sunday, it will be again sad. Again sad, the worst day is coming.
What are you good at?
I'm good at robotics.
Robotics. Okay. What do you do in robotics?
So we just code some robots called Tinkercore, and another robot called PC Kit, and another bot called the 3-in-1 Kit.
Okay. So what does it do?
becomes 3 things: a scanner, and a car, and table light.
Okay.
So it would have an ultrasonic sensor which emits out light for you to study.
Oh, nice. Very nice. So your favorite subject is robotics. Okay. So what's your favorite subject?
Kannada.
Kannada. Okay.
Because I score good marks in it, and I am the topper for the whole 5th standard
Okay.
for Kannada, and I get selected for everything in Kannada, and the teacher picks me for everything.
Very nice. So can you tell a small poem or a story in Kannada?
ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಶ್ರವಣಕುಮಾರ ಎನ್ನುವ ಶ್ರವಣಕುಮಾರ ಇದ್ದನು. ಅವರ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಕುರುಡರಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ಅವರ ಅಪ್ಪನ ಹೆಸರು ತಾಂಡವ ಋಷಿ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಯಸ್ಸಾಗಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಅವರು ತೀರ್ಥಯಾತ್ರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕೆಂದು ಚಡಪಡಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ಶ್ರವಣಕುಮಾರ ತೀರ್ಥಯಾತ್ರೆಗೆ ಕರೆದೊಯ್ದನು. ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಶ್ರವಣಕುಮಾರ ತೀರ್ಥಯಾತ್ರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಅವರ ಅಪ್ಪ ನೀರು ಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ಕೇಳಿದರು. ಅವನು ನೀರು ತರಲು ಒಂದು ನದಿಗೆ ಹೋದನು. ಆ ನದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ ಗುಳು 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 ಶಬ್ದ ಬಂತು. ಆ ದಶರಥ ಒಬ್ಬ ರಾಜ ಬೇಟೆಯಾಡಲು ಬಂದಿದ್ದನು. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಆ ಗುಳುಗುಳು ಶಬ್ದ ಕೇಳಿಸಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಎಂದುಕೊಂಡು ಶಬ್ದವೇದಿ ಬಾಣವನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟನು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಶ್ರವಣಕುಮಾರನಿಗೆ ಹೊಡಿತು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವನು ಅಮ್ಮ ನಾನು ಸತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದೋದ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ದಶರಥ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಬೇಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಶ್ರವಣಕುಮಾರ ಹೇಳಿದನು, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನು ತೀರ್ಥಯಾತ್ರೆಗೆ ಕರೆದೋಗಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ನನಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಲೈಫ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನನಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಜೀವ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನನಗೇನು ಗಿಲ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ನೀವು ತೀರ್ಥಯಾತ್ರೆಗೆ ಅವರನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
Okay, so that is your story.
Yeah.
So what is your favorite subject?
Kannada.
Kannada again. Very good. Okay, tell me what you like in Kannada.
Poems.
Poems. Small poem for us.
ಬಾರಳೆ ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಹಕ್ಕಿ, ಬಾರಳೆ ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಹಾರುವ ಹಕ್ಕಿ, ಗೆಳೆಯರು ಆಡಲು ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಳೆಯುವುದಂತೂ ವೇಳೆಯನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ, ಬಾಬಾ ನನಗೂ ಹಾರಲ ಕಲಿಸು, ಬಾಬಾ ನನಗೂ ಹಾಡಲ ಕಲಿಸು, ಅಪ್ಪನ ನೀರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿಯನು, ಅಪ್ಪನ ಪೇಟೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿಹನು, ಅಪ್ಪನು ಬರಲಿ ತಿನ್ನನು ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಕೊಡಿಸುವೆನು, ನನಗೂ 2 ರೆಕ್ಕೆಯ ಹಚ್ಚು, ಹಿಂಗಡೆ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಪುಚ್ಚವ ಚುಚ್ಚು, ನೆತ್ತಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಜುಟ್ಟನ ಹಚ್ಚು, ಮೆಲ್ಲನ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾರುವ ಹಚ್ಚು, ನಾನು ನೀನು ಇಬ್ಬರು ಕೂಡಿ ಮುಗಿಲಿನ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಹಾರುವ ಬಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದಿತ್ತ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದತ್ತ ಹಾರುತ್ತ ಹಾರುತ್ತ ನಲೆರು ಬಾ.
Very good, very good. Nice to hear. Small kids, everyone, no, good that you're taking our regional language ahead, right? So always you have to give importance to your mother tongue, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
My mother tongue
Yes.
is Telugu.
But still, that's okay. You're in
But I
Karnataka.
switched it to Kannada.
Yeah.
I don't know a bit of Telugu too.
Wherever you are, whichever place you stay, you have to respect the culture.
Yeah.
Yes. Let's move into our next segment, which is called Time Machine segment. So in this segment, we'll take your imagination back and front. Okay? Let's go into past and the future. Forget the present for now. Okay. So first question would be, if you could go back in time and meet yourself as a small baby, what would you change in your baby self?
I would learn some good manners. I would learn how to eat very well and then I would practice to eat very well so that my parents won't feed me.
Okay.
I'm thinking if I was a baby in the past, I would like to learn to clean your toys after
Okay.
you're done playing,
Okay.
and do not run around the house and
Okay.
fall down, and sit on the sofa correctly instead of falling down,
Okay.
and stop throwing things.
Okay, fine. So next would be, if you could go fast forward 10 years from now, ahead, we are going into the future. So what do you hope is the first thing you get to do as a grown up?
I would first go to the IAS exam and I would write it. I would be an IAS officer.
Very good. Okay.
I would learn to how to drive a car and a bike.
Car and a bike. Okay.
I would like to go to my father's office and first sit in front of his laptop
Okay.
and see whatever he's doing, what he's sending and getting, and learn how the cargo system works.
Okay, fine. Next, what is the funniest mistake that you have made in last year?
Funniest mistake is that the funniest mistake is that I go to the exams, I write all the answers and then I wrote the correct answer and then I scratched it out and I wrote the wrong answer.
You wrote the correct one, scratch it and wrote the wrong answer. Okay. So how about
When
you?
the teacher told me to read a book, I started singing a song.
Which subject was that?
It was maths.
To all my viewers, you can see how naughty these kids are. They're not in one position. And now to reduce their naughtiness, hopefully, let's play some Jenga with them. So you know to play Jenga?
Yes.
Yeah.
Some playtime.
Yeah.
Okay, so who will go first?
Me.
I'll go first. Okay. Let
Okay.
her go first.
Yes. So every time you remove a block, you say something funny or something interesting.
Interesting. I would be a scientist and I would invent some juice in which you can grow younger.
Oh my god. Okay. Next. Okay. Now about
I would like to invent a car that never runs out of fuel.
that never runs out of fuel. Okay. So now it's mic drop time. Pick your mic and show us your talent.
Okay. You say the word silk 5 times.
Silk, silk,
Very fast.
silk, 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 silk.
Could you spell the word silk 5 times very fast?
S-I-L-K, 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 S-I-L-K.
What does a cow drink?
Cow drinks not the milk.
She got it.
Okay. So next talent. Who is going first in you both?
Jana. I'll hold the mic for you.
Okay.
I'll do it.
I'll hold the mic because you have to do it.
So you're mimicking a car. Okay, go ahead. Very nice. That was a racing car.
Yes.
Okay.
It was a Supra.
Okay.
Car names.
You'll tell car names. Okay, fine. Go ahead.
Oh shit, I could have told that.
Hyundai, Suzuki, BMW,
Mhm.
Honda. That's
That's all. Okay. Next, round
Okay,
2.
I'm gonna ask you one more riddle.
Okay, hope I win. Yes.
Okay, say the word roast 5 times. very
Roast,
fast.
roast, 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 roast.
Could you spell the word roast 5 times very fast?
R-O-A-S-T, 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 and R-O-A-S-T.
What do you put? What do you put in a toaster?
Bread. I'm very good at listening. I'm a good listener.
గుండెల్లో గాయలేమో చలంగా మారిపోయి మాయ చేసే ఆ మాయే ప్రేమాయే ఎంత గాయమైన గాని నా మేనికేమి కాదు పువ్వు సోకి నీ సోకు కందేనే వెలికి రాని వెర్ని ప్రేమ కన్నేటి దారిలోన కరుగుతున్నది నాడు శోకము పలేక నీ గుండె బాధపడితే తలలనన్నది మనుషులెరుగలేరు మామూలు ప్రేమ కాదు అగ్ని కంట స్వచ్ఛమైనది మమకారమే ఈ లాలి పాటగా రాసేది హృదయమా ఉమాదేవిగా శివని అర్ధ భాగమై నాలోన నిలువుమా శుభ లాలి లాలి జో లాలి లాలి జో ఉమాదేవి లాలి జో లాలి లాలి జో మమకారమే ఈ లాలి పాటగా రాసేది హృదయమా నా హృదయమా.
Very good. Your voice is so nice. Lots of giggles, fun, and some stupid stuff though. Yes. So I want you all to tell, how did you feel today?
Felt very good.
What was your experience shooting this episode?
The experience was like, this is the first time I was shooting an episode.
Okay.
So,
How
and
did you
I
like it?
And I loved it very much because we played games and we had fun.
Okay. How about you?
I loved it. We played games like Jenga and asked questions and very nice.
Very nice. Okay. Yes. So how was your experience?
My experience, it was very nice. And I'm happy I'm back on YouTube again.
Okay. Okay then. So yes.
I had posted a video before, but I deleted it.
You deleted it.
Because my father was not permitted to put videos.
Okay, fine. So once again, happy Children's Day.
Thank you.
So much.
So be responsible citizens. You're growing up.
Yes.
Yes. And always keep smiling and make sure the people around you are happy. Yes? Yes. So let's wish Children's Day to everyone out there, okay?
Happy Children's Day, everybody.
Happy
Happy
Children's
Children's
Day.
Day, everybody! Wish you
Yeah.
like this video. Please subscribe and like.
Yeah,
Thank
please
you so much.
subscribe and like. Please let us get to 1 million.
Thank you so much, and I'm happy that I have little juniors as my co-host today, and they're taking away my position. And I would be more than happy to let them my position so that people would watch my videos more.
I wish we get a play button and we are the most famous YouTubers in the world.
Yes.
Come on, guys, you can do this. Please like and subscribe.
And not silver play button, a diamond play button.
Thank you so much for watching our episode. Today it was really a fun-filled episode. Children are all about being happy, being innocent, being honest, and sometimes being tortured to their parents as well. So wishing happy Children's Day to everyone from us to you. So let the smile stay the same way as it is. For more unscripted, unfiltered and unmissable conversations, subscribe to Hamsa TV channel. Meet you in the next episode. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.